Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the NerdWallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Once you do this, just tap on the search box and then search for NerdWallet. Once you find the application, you can simply go ahead and tap on it and you will find the install button. Now since this application is not available in my location, I cannot install it. But if you can tap on it to open it up, you will find the install button. Once you tap on install, the download and installation will begin. And when it's complete, you will see the open button. You can then tap on it and this will open up the NerdWallet application on your smartphone. And then you can proceed with using the app by logging in or signing up to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the NerdWallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.